Operational guideline of pump and associated valves. The following points will instruct on proper pump operation to ensure safe and effective cargo work. 1. Pump operation in lower liquid level. 2. Why pump suction valve must not be closed during delivery of liquid. 3. Why pump delivery valve must be closed before start or stop of pump. 4. Why pump delivery valve must be closed slowly. 5. Why delivery valve of electric-driven pump must not be opened fully. 1. Pump operation in the lower liquid level. Pump suction pressure will decrease along with the progress of the discharging operation. It will reach zero or negative if the pump continues to run without any adjustments to the pump revolution, or without adjustments to the delivery valve opening. For safe and effective pump operation, it is required to reduce the pump revolution and to reduce the opening of the delivery valve. Generally, the reduction of the revolution and valve opening will commence when the oil level reaches about 3 meters from the tank floor. Be reminded that some cargo oils such as Kafji crude and Qatar land crude have high Reid vapor pressure. Pump suction pressure will be the same at higher oil levels from the tank floor. Therefore, it is required to closely monitor the pump gauge and adjust its revolution and delivery valve opening to maintain a positive suction pressure. If an excessive negative pressure arises in the pump suction, cavitation effect will arise and it will cause corrosion and destruction in the pipes and pump. 2. Why pump suction valve must not be closed during delivery of liquid. The valve in the pump suction line must be kept open during delivery of liquid by the pump. If it is closed by mishandling, pump suction pressure will immediately be in a high vacuum condition. In such a case, the pump must be stopped without opening the valve in the suction line. If the suction valve is opened under high negative pressure, pump and valve will be damaged by water hammer effect. Valves connecting in the line through the tank and pump must also be kept opened. Special care must be taken, especially when the line is isolated from each other in the final stage of pump discharge. 3. Why delivery valve must be closed before start or stop of pump. If pump is stopped or started when the delivery valve is opened, water hammer effect will arise in the delivery line and valve. If the pump is stopped, in such a case, the sudden loss of kinetic energy of the liquid will generate liquid impact waves in the pipe. The waves will damage the associating pipes and valves. To avoid such an effect, the delivery valve must be throttled and the pump RPM must be reduced. Stop the pump under its minimum revolution and with the delivery valve closed completely. The same reasons are applied for starting the pump. If the pump is started when the delivery valve is opened, liquid flow is not stable until the revolution reaches the remote controllable value. Therefore, water hammer effect will arise in the delivery line. Open the pump delivery valve gradually to send the liquid without water hammering effect. 4. Why pump delivery valve must be closed slowly. If the pump delivery valve is closed quickly, pressure surge effect will arise in the line and valve. Pressure surge will generate impact waves in the pipe. This is caused by the change in kinetic energy to pressure energy due to sudden loss of power. To avoid this, handle the valve gradually and check the running speed of the valve periodically and adjust it as instructed. 5. Why delivery valves of electric-driven pump must not be opened fully. Electric-driven pumps run in fixed revolutions. Therefore, pumping capacity is controlled only by the opening of the delivery valve. Maximum output of the pump is limited by the maximum allowable ampere of the motor. If pump output is in excess, the motor will be overloaded, and it will affect the motor condition if left running for a long time. Therefore, the ampere meter must be monitored carefully while the pump is running. Adjust the opening of the delivery valve so as not to exceed the maximum ampere of the pump.